Hi everybody, Tom here from CSI. I'm going to do some TikTok videos on trying to explain some things that seem to get confused in my videos. Now, maybe most people understand what, single product polishing is. It doesn't just mean one product, one pad. It can if you're a detailer, but to the people who we really sell to, serious polishers, the guys who have to take out oxidation or color sanding scratches, this is a single product, normally 2 pads. But with the invention of this new pad that's coming this week, wool on this side and foam on this side, now you can do all your color sanding and polishing using one pad and one product. That is the concept that we started way back in 1996. Now, I'm sure all of you guys, girls, know that I have been in this body shop trade my whole entire life. I started my body shop in 1980. That is probably a long time to anybody. And there aren't many people my age that are aggressively, pursuing this as a business still. Start to retire at 65. I'm definitely looking at those years, but we're still very, very busy on promoting this whole single product polishing market. And you know what we say, get rid of compound. Get rid of it. You don't need it. If you're dealing with a company that is still promoting compound, I guarantee you they will not compete with this product. This is our finest polish we have ever made in the 30 years of manufacturing polishes. And it was always with the same idea to use one product and multiple pads. Now we have it down to one pad and one product for any scratch pattern on your vehicle. So if you're a big production shop producing 10, 20, 30 cars a day, like the big MSOs have to produce, we have the answer. And we want to come into your shop as a company, working with your distributor or going direct. We don't care. We want to help you. Because I'm in this business, and if you're an older person like me, then you have been on commission as an owner of a company to produce a product and make a profit. I know that. And if you've been in this trade as long as I have, then you know it too. In the beginning, we only worked on commission to get paid for doing body work and painting. If it took you more than book time, you did not make any more than that book said. For color sanding and rubbing, 15 minutes per panel. And you better be able to do it, or you're costing the shop money. If we worked on commission, and back in the day it was at 50% commission. So if the shop rate was $25 an hour, I got half of that to produce my work. And that was the normal commission rate. Today, obviously, the commission rates are much higher. Not many shops pay their employees on commission, but you, as an owner, are still getting paid on commission. And we can guarantee you a super, super fast finish, all with one single product. So we're going to be doing lots of these videos on TikTok and YouTube, explaining some of the critical details on why we are nothing like a 3-product system. On the next video, I'm going to go through the process of using a compound and the adjacent pad to that compound, and then a total wash down, and then going to the second step and the second pad and a total wash down, and the third product and the third pad, all different. All the products are different, all the pads are different, and a complete wash down. That is the proper procedure for using a 3-product, 3-pad system even to this day. And the manufacturer will ask you, if it doesn't work, did you follow the directions? Well, to me as a body shop owner, that is absolutely insane when I'm only getting 15 minutes per panel to do a light denib and polish with absolutely no swirl marks. We say 1 product, use wool to take out, anything that you want to take out with the wool. If you color sanded it, if you want to knock down the peel a little bit, this product will do it. Perfectly fine, as good or better than a compound. And then don't wipe it off because there's no cross-contamination. Use the foam pad and the exact same product and you're all done. We are a 30% time savings, a 30% cost savings. So if you have an MSO, I would love to talk to you. My phone number's up on the screen, 714-906-6619. Our website is up on the screen, www.CSI-shine.com. Check us out. We are the absolute fastest way to polish paint. Next video, we'll also be talking to custom painters. They are a passion of mine, but they don't use as much product as what a production shop would use. We are perfect in a production shop, and we are perfect in a custom shop. This product is completely water-based. Check this out. This is really, really neat. Nice and creamy. If your product doesn't look like this, super creamy. This looks like face cream. That's how I designed that product. There's no smell in this product. Compound stinks. This product, you can feel it has something in it, but the way that it cuts is magic. It's super creamy. There's a soap built into this product so that when you use it, if you splatter anything, hit it with water and it all comes off. When I wipe this off my hand, it'll be like there was nothing on here. It's not greasy at all. You can use this in direct sun. This product really, really works, and I want to be in your shop. So check us out on our website or call me direct. My name is Tom Horvath. Again, 714-906-6619.